Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I am not a first year student anymore. I'm going into second year at the London School of Economics, and on Sunday this week, today is currently Thursday, I'm going to be moving back up to London to live in halls again. So today I need to get on with some packing, and I thought why not bring you guys along with me. I will also film moving in, and I'll also film freshers next week, so there should be lots and lots of content for you to look forward to. If you are looking forward to this content, do give this video a massive thumbs up because it helps me out with knowing what sort of things you want to see, and subscribe to my channel down below. Now, with that bit out of the way, it is time to get on with packing. I only take 2 suitcases to university. I don't have a whole car full of stuff because I actually travel up on the train because it's only about half an hour from where I live. And obviously at holidays and things, it makes sense for me just to come back on the train because it's much easier for my parents. The first thing I need to do this morning when packing is work out what clothes I want to take to university, because for me they tend to make up the bulk of what I'm taking with me. However, because I've been away a lot in the last couple of weeks, all of my clothes are dirty, particularly the ones I want to take, the ones that I've been wearing recently. So the first thing I need to do this morning is do some washing. So whilst my washing is in the washing machine, I've decided I don't think I can do much with the clothes side of my packing. So I'm going to try and do some of the miscellaneous bits and pieces whilst I have a bit of free time. So I'm going to take this bedding with me to uni. It's just, I think this is from Asda, and I used to have this on my single bed. And so I just decided that I didn't need new bedding because I quite liked this one. And then I also have like the pillowcase and the sheet and stuff. So this year is slightly different for me moving to uni because I actually know who my roommate is going to be. We've opted to share together. It's a girl who's on my course last year, and so that's been quite handy in terms of packing because we can obviously share out things, so we're not bringing 2 lots of everything. So she is bringing quite a lot of the kitchen stuff. So this is what I've decided to bring. I've got this plastic cup, which I had last year. Then I have this bowl because, to be honest, I don't really use bowls very much. And so I didn't think it was worth bringing a whole china one. And to be honest, they're just a bit of a pain to pack. So I've gone for this plastic bowl. Then I have this plastic plate for if I'm just having a snack or something. These are really handy. I think this one's from IKEA. Basically, I just stole all of this stuff from the kitchen cupboards downstairs because me and my brother are both moving out on the same day, so on Sunday. So my parents are going to need half the amount of stuff we have in our kitchen. So instead of going out and buying loads, I've just used the stuff from downstairs. And then I've also got a china plate for the first time. Last year I had a plastic plate and it was okay, it worked, but it made me feel like I didn't really live in the halls that I was in. I felt like I was on a bit of a permanent picnic. So instead I've opted for a china plate this year, and because it's quite flat, it'll be quite easy to pack anyway, so that doesn't really matter. Then in terms of cutlery, last time I took all of my own cutlery and stuff, but my roommate for next year, Hannah, says she's got cutlery for the entire hall. She's got that much, so she said don't bother bringing any. And also at my halls that I'm staying at last year, when I arrived, there was loads of stuff left from the year before, like pans and stuff, so I didn't really feel like I needed as much as I necessarily thought I did. So my plan for this year is to get there, assess the situation, see what they've got, and if I feel like I really need a pan or whatever, I can buy one when I'm up there. To be honest, I think that's something that a lot of freshers could do with hearing, is the fact that you can buy stuff when you get to university. There is no point buying loads and loads of stuff when you're at home, when you're going to have the exact same shots when you move to university, and at least then you'll know what you have. If all other 5 of your flatmates have a tin opener, you do not need a tin opener. Now, in terms of work stuff for next year, I'm going to try and not take too much because everything I do is on my laptop, and because of the whole online learning from last year, I think a lot of stuff is staying online. So I'm going to take my old German textbook because plan is I'm going to try and sell this to somebody in the year below. To be honest, I don't really need a random German textbook from last year lying around. So I'm going to take that back with me. And then I'm also going to take my notebook. This is actually my notebook from last year. I thought I was going to go through one after the other of these, and to be honest I barely used any of it. So I just write out my to-do list and I order them by which days of the week, but obviously if I'm only using one of these per week, then I only need 10 sheets of paper, so I'm only taking one notebook next year. And then I also have, is this my German folder? Yeah, so I've got my German folder. This is all my German work from last year, and to be honest I don't think I need all of this, so what I'm going to do now is go through this and select the bits that I really need for next year, or I think I need, because I'm continuing with with German, and then I'll just take those up in like a plastic wallet instead of taking this massive folder. So it's quite a bit later on from the clips that I filmed this morning. In the meantime, I'm very lucky. My brother has actually hung out some of my washing for me, which you can see over here. And he has also put on some more washing for me because we're both trying to do washing at the same time because we're both going to uni on Sunday. So I'm just about to hang that washing out, and then hopefully my clothes will be dry later on so I can finish packing. I've just been for a run, hence the bright red face. Today is Friday, and I thought I'd just bring you along with like getting ready to go back to uni. I was just gonna do a pack with me, but then it was really boring, so we're doing it this way. Loads of cards have just arrived for me in the post, so I thought I could open these with you and see what they are. Oh, I hope I didn't just show you my address. Ah, look at that. It says, it's a little thank you card from my friend Teddy. Basically, we had her 21st in London the other day, and she's got the photo printed for me and given me a little card. So that'll be coming with me to uni. That's really cute. And then this one is definitely from my grandma because she always sends us cards in the post. She literally lives like just down the road from us, but she sends them in the post, and it's her writing. So, dear Imogen, have a great time in your second year at LSE. Lots of love and hugs from grandma. Oh, look at the card. Okay, so now that is done, I am obviously very, very sweaty from a run still. So I think I'm gonna make myself some food. So it's only 11 o'clock, so I don't feel like I can really have lunch just yet. It's a little bit too early. So I think I'm just gonna do like a big brunch thing. Whenever I film food, it always looks so unappetizing, but this is my breakfast. Whilst I eat my breakfast, I think I'm gonna watch an episode of Deutschland 83, which is a German TV show. Basically, I need to be at the same level that I was at the end of last year when I go back to uni in a week's time, and I haven't done anything about that. So I'm now playing catch up to try and get back to where I was by just watching some TV shows. So I'm on episode 2. I've already watched one called The Same Sky, which was kind of a similar storyline, and I really enjoyed that. So I'm gonna watch an episode of this. It is 12 o'clock. I've just uploaded the road trip vlog, which honestly, I can't tell you, that has been hanging over me for a month and a half, and to have it done before I go to uni is just the best thing. I'm just really happy to have that done. I don't know if you can tell. I've just been editing this video back, and the funniest thing is I filmed a whole video about packing. It's 9 minutes long, and is there anything in my suitcase? Absolutely not. We have made some serious headway with packing, thank God, because it needed to happen. My floor is currently looking an absolute state. I've just chucked everything that I want to pack onto it. Who knows if it's all gonna fit, but right now I'm doing a really, really important task, which is sorting out decorations for my room, which is my favourite part. Basically, some of you might remember, last year I had this in my room, so it's just like a £4 frame, I think, from Tiger, and then I printed off this like cactus print and I had it in my room, and I was just about to pack this, and then I was like, you know what, I should probably replace the print because like I can easily find another one. So I'm just having a look on Pinterest. I found this one, which I think is quite a good option. Basically, I want to keep it green because I obviously want to like give the illusion of having plants in my room without actually having to carry plants up to London. So this is my like next best thing, because this is obviously flat, so it's much easier to pack than a plant. This video has to be one of the most chaotic videos I filmed in a long old time, but I thought I would show you what I got into Decathlon the other day, because I actually went shopping to Decathlon and I got some stuff for uni. So I got this coat first of all. It was in the sale. It was £9.99. To be fair, it wasn't the kids sale, but this is aged 14 to 15, right? And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Like, it is not small on me at all. Like, there is loads of space in that to put a jumper underneath or whatever, and basically I just need a new raincoat, and it has a bag so I can pack it up, and it'll be really like, well, it won't be compact because it's a puffer coat, but it'll be a lot more compact than it would be if it was just loose, because it would fit into this bag here. And second thing I got from Decathlon is this swimsuit here, because I've decided I'm joining LSE swimming this year. I'm staying on here so you hold me accountable, but I like used to love swimming when I was younger, so I've decided this year I'm going to start swimming again. So I got a new swimming costume because I didn't think I could turn up to my first session for LSE swim in a bikini. Not the best first impression. morning. Today is Saturday. Yesterday evening I just went cycling with one of my friends because I'm not going to see her again before I go to uni, which is kind of sad. So we went on a bike ride together once she finished work. But anyway, I got home really late and I didn't do anything. I literally just went to bed. So my floor is still looking like this. So today we're going to sort this out. Okay, here's where we're at. We've got plastic bags, masks, and then clothes all in here and my coat. And then in this one, we've got some spare jumpers that I didn't manage to fit into the other one. And then like miscellaneous bits and pieces like 401 plants and fairy lights, etc, etc, and a couple of towels. So I've just finished a little run. I only did like 3k this morning. It was quite difficult. I went through the field and it's really hot today, which is perfect because I don't think I've mentioned in this vlog, but actually today is my 21st birthday party. My birthday actually isn't for a couple of weeks, but it just makes sense to do the party now. So the next thing I've got to do when I get home is go to the shop because we need to buy things like ice and stuff. We've just finished at Tesco. They didn't have any hot dog rolls, so we've only been able to get the burger rolls, so I think we're gonna have to go to another shop. But we've got most of the stuff in a Waitrose bag, even though it's from Tesco. Unfortunately, I was too busy celebrating to film any clips, but I had the best time with all of my family and friends. So I'm really, really grateful to my mum and dad who made that happen. So we're on our way into town. We're going out for the evening. My 21st has kind of ended. It's 9 o'clock. Yeah, you're going to make it into a YouTube video. We've got my cousin Peter, my friend Leah, Sophie, my friend, and my brother George over here. And we're going to go out in town, so that's fun. And on that note, I think we're going to leave this video right here. I'm sorry this has turned into a last few days at home vlog, but I hope you've enjoyed it nonetheless. And I'll see you very, very soon in the new video. Bye!